Santa gift.
Santa gift to Paris.
Cause I open the door. Give the cuddles. There's one going inside Paris' house. Cause it ho ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho. Ready?
There you go. Oh my God, so cute, diba? Guess what kung sinong bumili? Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Wednesday. Is it Wednesday, Daddy? Wednesday. Yes. Happy Wednesday, everyone. It is currently 12:10 ng hapon and we are on our lunch break. Si Paris ay wala pala dito, guys, kasi kaninang umaga, she woke up and she was feeling better na, wala na siyang lagnat. And yeah, kaya yun, dinala ko sa childcare. And then kami lang ni Daddy Mike ng dalawa. And since warm siya, guys, wala siyang araw pero warm siya. Mag-lunch break kami ni Daddy Mike doon sa cafe kung saan kami pumunta before. Yeah, second time na namin pumunta doon. And ayan si Manny Pacquiao. Hello, Daddy. Mahangin siya, guys. Walang araw, mahangin pero warm siya. Is that for me? Maybe someone who lived in the house before. Nakakatanggap pa rin kami ng mga mails ng mga tao na nakatira sa bahay na yan before ba. Michael Fung daw sabi ni Daddy Mike. Maybe your last name before was Fung.
That's not Michael.
You're Michael.
Yeah, that's other Michael, yeah?
Maybe, I'm not sure. Anyways, alis na tayo, guys. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Stanley Cafe. Remember, pumunta kami dito last time pero punong-puno sila. And then today, walang masyadong tao. Maraming tao sa loob pero may space dito sa labas. Kaya dito, nakaupo kami ni Daddy Mike. Ayan. Nag-order na pala ako, guys. Nandito ang aking hot chocolate. That's Daddy's drink there, guys. What's that one, Daddy?
Almond latte. The coffee's very nice.
Almond latte. Yeah. And then, ito yung menu. Pero, mag-share lang kami ni Daddy Mike, guys. We're going to share the eggs Benny. Ayan, $20, guys. It's now 12:35 ng hapon. Ayan. Dapat sana pupunta ako ng post office sa lunch break. Kasi may kailangan akong i-post. Pero, since nag-order kami ni Daddy Mike ng something to eat, yun na, guys, hindi na kami makakapunta ng post office. Maybe punta na lang ako ng post office mamayang hapon. Kasi kailangan ko talagang i-post to today, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nabenta ko online, ha? Ito yung first one na aking nabenta online. So, the first one is these jeans. Ayan, yung aking Zara jeans, guys. Ayan. So, hindi ko na siya sinusuot, kaya binenta ko. And then, yun, binayaran na kagabi. Kaya i-post natin. And then, merong isa din dito. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh my God. This one is super cute. Super, super cute. This one, guys. Oh my God. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. There you go. Oh my God. So cute, diba? It's a bracelet, guys. It is real 18K rose gold. Ayan. Binili ko to siya sa Pilipinas, guys. Actually, hindi ko pa siya nagawa ng haul, guys. But I bought a few jewelries from the Philippines, guys. And gagawan ko yan ng video para mapakita ko sa inyo lahat ng napamili ko, guys. But this is one of them. Ayan. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Ito pala yung suot ko ngayon. Ayan. Oh, isa din to siya sa binili ko, guys. Pero, sa lahat ng binili ko, guys, ito yung hindi ko masyadong type. Pero sobrang cute niya, guys, promise. Kasi yung kulay niya is rose gold. Yung hilig ko talaga, guys, is yellow gold. Lahat naman ng mga jewelries ko, ayan, they are yellow gold. Tapos, nung sinuot ko to siya, hindi siya masyadong, ewan ko, hindi siya masyadong parang maganda tingnan sa akin. I think for me lang yun, guys, ha. Hindi ko lang talaga siya type. Tinry ko yung rose gold. I thought, it will look good for me, but hindi siya, guys. Hindi siya nag-work. Kaya yun. Anyways, yun na nga. Binili ko yun siya sa Pilipinas, guys. And then, dumating siya last week ata. And then, this one, pinost ko siya kaagad online. And then, yeah, nabenta ko na siya, guys. And you know what? Guess what kung sinong bumili? Filipina din, guys. O, diba? Alam nyo naman tayo mga Filipino, mahilig na mahilig tayo talaga sa mga gold, mga jewelries na mga ganyan. Siguro sa mga, you know, yung mga kanunuan natin, ganun. Mahilig din talaga siguro sila sa ano, mga gold jewelries. Ganun. Kaya yun guys, I'm very excited na i-share sa inyo yung mga napamili ko guys kasi sobrang cute talaga nila and I think magugustuhan nyo rin guys. Pero again guys, pakita ko sa inyo no, sobrang cute niya talaga. Ano pala to siya? Van Cleef & Arpels inspired. Sobrang ganda. Parang Paris to siya nito guys. Pero this one is yellow gold and this one is rose gold. Kaya I'll keep this one pero hindi ito siya. Ayan. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Kasi later pag nag-haul na ako, hindi nyo na to siya makikita kasi pupunta na siya sa bagong owner niya. Have a look at this one guys. Ah, eggs pala yan sa ibabaw. Tapos, what's this one back? Sweet potato or something?
Sweet potato, shaped.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is waffle. And then this beef. Oh. Thank you.
Oh, that's bits of rain. Do you want me to see if we have some space inside for you to move?
I think we're up for now.
Yeah.
If it starts getting heavy.
Yeah, give me a
Thank
wave and I'll
you.
move you.
Thanks a lot. That's cute. Ayan. Let's try na guys. Pumasok na kami guys kasi umulan na talaga siya. Ayan. Yum, it looks yum guys. Lahat ng mga pagkain nila dito. Like, well presented daddy ah. Lahat. Water bottle, Paris.
What's your water bottle?
Water bottle. This one? Ashley.
No, I didn't. That's Sino.
You
You bumped each other.
That's what you said.
Paris is strong girl.
Down.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
there
will
you go.
push you.
Up and down,
Oh,
Daddy.
come on, let's get on my love.
Up and
Bye-bye.
fall down.
Did you fall down?
Up on my knee.
Oh, is your knee okay?
No, I can no poop on mine.
No, boo mommy.
Sand tomorrow. We're gonna have new sand for Paris to make the sandcastle. Is that Alwood's?
Did Paris have a good day?
Yes.
Yes. What did you eat today?
What did you eat?
Candies. Oh my God. Come on now, cause it's raining.
Oh, sorry. Sit down.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
That's okay. I'm sorry.
Whee! Did you drink your water?
Yes.
Good girl.
I'm going to do not here on nursery.
Huh?
There's in the shops.
In the shops?
Okay.
Okay. We're home guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, it's been raining. Basang-basa sa ulan. Excuse mo, kanta lagi dayan ay. Where's the two? Where's your bandage?
It's my father.
Huh?
Mariparo.
Maripero!
You will your pop.
Jumping up and down the Maripado.
Splish.
Come on, you sing it, Daddy.
I don't know the words. Go on.
Splish, splish, splash. Splish, splash. Okay, your turn, Daddy.
Jumping up and down in muddy puddles, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish.
Jump, Daddy.
Jump, Daddy. Woohoo! Tingnan nyo ang kanyang top, guys. So, punong-puno ng paint. Because they were doing painting today. And, yeah. Colorful na naman. Mukhang nag-fun run na naman ang ating baby girl. Oh, it's getting cold now. Good job, Paris.
Do you wanna go play with the dentist?
Come on.
Let's go play dentist.
Woohoo!
Come on, skinny girl.
Skinny girl.
Look, it's my
Ayaw
father.
kumain. Oh, careful.
Are you skinny?
Skinny baba. Whoa! You okay?
Okay.
Paris is like I'm not skinny.
Finally home. That's the clean one. That's a clean one, Bi. Show Tita, your toys. Ito ang kanya mga toys, guys. So, yung binili the other day. Come. Where's the yellow teeth? The yellow teeth is crying. Now, 6 o'clock ng gabi. And, nandito tayo sa kitchen, guys. Kasi magluluto tayo ng dinner natin. Magluluto na lang ako ng rice. Papares natin dito sa ating itong binili ko the other day na chicken. Ayan. Sobrang dami niya, guys. And then, yung gagamitin natin ay itong mamasitas na adobo mix. Ayan. Si Paris at saka si Danny Mike nandun sa lounge room. Kasi si Paris nanonood na ng kanyang nursery rhymes. As usual. So, ilalagay lang natin dito, guys, sa clear bowl na to. Ayan. So, nahugasan ko na yung chicken. Tapos, itong mamasita, guys, ilagay lang natin dito sa mug na to. Tunawin natin, tapos i-marinate lang natin yung chicken for at least 15 minutes. And then, sobrang strong, guys, ng kanyang amoy. Stir lang pag may time. Yan. Oh, by the way, guys, na-post ko na pala kanina yung dapat kong i-post. So, I left work, mga 5 minutes earlier than usual para makapunta ako ng post office. And, luckily, yung isang agency, parang news agency / Australia Post dito, malapit sa amin. They close at 5:30. So, yeah. Normally kasi yung mga Australia Post office talaga, 5 o'clock close na yan sila. But yeah, yun, na-post ko na. And then, kasi si ate, yung nakabili ng nung bracelet, yung Pinay din, nag-message siya sa akin, sabi niya, na-post mo na ba, sis? Kaya yun. Nung nag-message siya sa akin, eksakto talaga nandun ako sa post office. Anyways, hope that she like it. I think she's going to like it. Sobrang cute niya talaga, guys. Sobrang dainty. So hopefully, pag nagka-time tayo during the weekend, guys, or even sometime this week, pag nagka-time tayo, gusto ko talagang gawa ng haul yung aking napamili, guys, ng mga jewelries. Kasi sobrang mga nice talaga. Sobrang cute. Ang lahat sila 18K gold, guys. Kaya I'm super excited for that video. So stay tuned for that, guys, kung gusto niyo makita yung mga pinamili ko ng mga alahas. Sobrang busy pa kasi, guys, ng life. Especially kasi, guys, last week, diba, parang Lunes lang yata ako nagtrabaho. Lunes ako full day nag-work, tapos sa Friday half day lang kasi yun nga kailangan kong pumunta ng doktor. So natambakan talaga ako ng emails, guys, and since Monday hanggang today wala talagang parang relax ba. Sobrang straight talaga. Sobrang daming dapat gawin. And also pala, guys, sa Saturday pupunta tayo sa kina Jess. Alam kong meron dito sa ating mga viewers, ating mga mahal na subscribers, yung nakakakilala kay Jess. Alam ko na nanood din kayo ng mga videos niya. Yeah, so we will go see her for the second time. Yung first time talaga na pag-meet namin, yun yung first meet up talaga namin. But then, nag-lockdown na, so hindi na nasundan. And then, sana noong Saturday, yun yung second time na mag-meet up kami. But then, yun yung nangyari sa akin, guys, diba? Yung hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko at kailangan kong mag-swab test for COVID, ganun. So, hindi siya natuloy. So, yung plano namin ulit is ngayong Saturday. So, fingers crossed, sana wala nang maging problema, guys, at matuloy na yung lakad natin, yung ating mga ganap-ganap. Guys, alam nyo, it's already 8 o'clock ng gabi ba? Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner, ang ating baby girl ay gustong lumabas. Ayan. Muddy paddles daw. Yung daddy niya nagdala ng upuan, oh. Tignan niyo si mami. Oh. Naka-jacket. Nak, aren't you cold, Nak? Did you like the dinner, daddy?
Yes, mommy.
Are you tired?
Very much so.
You go in. I'll play with Paris. Good banana.
I want to go to bed.
What is that, Nak? What is that?
What's candy?
Who gave you the candy? Santa.
Santa. Dad, give her the Paris.
Did Daddy coach you?
Santa.
Santa, give her the Paris.
Santa gave it to Paris. Why are you Are you a good girl?
Yes.
Wow. Nakikabi, I'm Filipino.
Filipino.
Again, I'm
Mommy.
Ikaw sa ba? I'm
Mario.
Mama will open na yun.
Mommy.
Be, I'm
Filipino.
Filipino. Gabi, Filipino. Ay. Last night, guys, sinabihan namin siya, ikaw Nakbe, I'm Filipino. Sobrang copy niya talaga. Gabi, Filipino.
No.
Oh, sa daw? Filipino. Baba.
For Paris.
It's for Paris.
What about this one?
This is for Mommy's. Filipino.
Santa gift.
Santa give to Paris.
Cause open the door. Cause they give the cuddles.
Did he
Really?
give you cuddles?
There's one going inside Paris house.
Are you gonna see Santa next month?
Nak.
Cause they ho ho ho.
Ho ho ho. Ready? Ho ho ho.
Merry Christmas.
Ho ho ho.
Hey, birdie.
Do you love Santa?
That's the Santa office outside.
Is he in the sky?
Yes,
Is he flying with the reindeers?
Hi. He's here over here.
Nak, what do you want from Santa?
Look for daddies.
What do you want from Santa?
What do you want Santa to give Paris?
Person.
The candies.
Candies? What else? Do you want a bike from Santa? Do you
He's
want,
an itty daddy.
do you want a bike?
Really yummy.
What do you want from Santa, Nak? So we're gonna call Santa and tell him what you want for Christmas. What do you want? Is it raining now?
No.
Oh, I think it's raining na, Nak. Babe, put this.
No.
It's raining.
Did you see Tito?
Let's brush your teeth. Because you had candy today, yes?
Okay.
Okay. Good girl. What's your toothpaste, Nak? Good girl. Paris' toothpaste is Peppa Pig. Nakta, what's your toothpaste, Nak?
No, no.
Oh, no. Okay, not showing then. Is it private, Nak? Up, down? Good girl. It's bedtime soon. Okay? Okay?
This is more toothpaste.
Okay. Hi guys! Kung mapapansin nyo, iba na yung setup natin guys. I look different in this video as well. Dahil, while I was editing this video, na-realize ko na wala palang end yung video na to. Kaya, I decided na mag-vlog. Ayan, just to end the vlog.
Mommy. Gummy. Gummy, mommy.
Yeah, I just wanna say thank you to everyone sa palaging panonood ng ating mga videos. Yeah, I hope that appreciate ko kayong lahat. Sa ating mga bagong subscribers, welcome sa ating channel at sana na-enjoy nyo yung stay nyo dito. And now, I'm just going to do a quick shout out guys before natin end. Shout out to Pia25, Clarice Torres, No, Rina America Huerta, Krisha Pasaylo, Gail, Chilay Foncherer, Luz Tiongson, Jovey Opiasa, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Raid, Elsa Serrano, Megao, shout out to Emmy Garcia and Amay Vargas. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye-bye.